New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Camden County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, west central Burlington County, western Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 6:45 p.m. At 6 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Chester, or 11 miles northeast of Allentown, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Location, Camden, Gloucester City, Cherry Hill, Mount Laurel, Chester, Deptford, Orange, West Deptford, Lindenwood, Belmore, Devon, Woodbury, Berlin, Fulton, Swarthmore, Hallsborough, Magnolia, and Westville. People at the Philadelphia Stadium should seek safe shelter immediately. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 345 and 351. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 13 and 41. Interstate 676 in Pennsylvania to mile marker 176 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 4. Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 6. Atlantic City Expressway between mile markers 40. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloudy ground lightning can occur in the course immediately. Remember, if you can hear. Warning for northeastern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Philadelphia, producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen in 1 to 2 inches in Longswamp. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations may experience flash flooding. Chestnut Hill, Germantown, Plymouth Meeting, Bryn Mawr, Trout Lake, Radnor Township, King of Prussia, and West Conshohocken. 476 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 10 and 19. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 328